Well, that truck is dirty, and I still have all the taps turned off at the house because it's winter. So, this is where my detailing friends turn off this video because you're not going to like where I take that truck. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video, I'm going to discuss the importance of washing your vehicle in the winter. And right now, we're heading to the car wash. While you may skip washes because it's nearly impossible to keep your car looking clean in the winter, road salt and other melting chemicals used to keep your roadways safe can cause rust and corrosion on your vehicle. With the undercarriage, fuel lines, and brakes being some of the most susceptible parts. But washing your car in the winter can come with its own challenges, like cold weather freezing your doors shut. Try to skip the wash if the temperature outside is below 0 Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Water that hits the car when the air is too cold, like below freezing, could lead to frozen locks and door handles. It's important to let your car dry thoroughly so water doesn't get stuck and freeze. Consider using a car wash with a dryer or wiping your car with a microfiber cloth when you get home. Even if it's not below freezing, road salt will stick to a wet car, which will undo the benefits of washing the car. But you have to drive out of the car wash onto the road, so it's definitely not a winning situation. If water does sneak its way into your door and freezes your locks, don't just start pulling frantically. If you can, remote start your vehicle and let it warm up. You can also try using a de-icing fluid from your local auto shop. It often comes in a spray bottle to fit in the cracks and even helps to prevent moisture from causing future freezes. If you happen to know that freezing rain or sleet is coming, just spray your car doors and rubber seals to help prevent them from freezing shut. If you're driving your car every day, a weekly car wash might be the best to keep the salt away and your windshield clean. However, if you aren't driving as frequently, you might be able to stick with a monthly car wash. If you don't want to go to a touchless car wash, you can always give your car a sponge bath in the garage. The issue with that is water freezing on the floor and likely on the seals of the garage door, which will put added strain on the garage door opener and likely rip door seals. And consider getting a protective layer of car wax to help shield your car from the road salt. There you have it. Now you know why it's important to keep your car clean in the winter and some of the challenges you may face during a cold winter wash. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.